Saving for a house requires careful planning and discipline. Start by determining your target amount for a down payment and closing costs. Research housing prices in your desired area to set a realistic goal. Creating a budget is essential. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a specific percentage of your income to your house savings fund each month. This could involve eliminating non-essential spending such as dining out or subscriptions and reflecting and redirecting those funds towards your savings. Consider opening a dedicated savings account, like a high yield savings account, to keep your house savings separate and earn interest. Now, automating your savings can also be beneficial. Set up automatic trackers from your checking account to your savings account right after payday. This way you save consistently without even thinking about it. Additionally, explore ways to increase your income, such as taking on side jobs or freelance work. All right, very important. Now, allocate this extra income directly into your home fund. Finally, research first-time homebuyers program or grants in your area that may assist with down payments or offer financial education. And by implementing these strategies, you can effectively save for a house and move closer to home ownership.